Hello to all my dear friends. Welcome back to your own channel, Walking Tour Hani. I truly want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for your amazing support. You helped me reach this number of subscribers, and I'm deeply grateful. Every like, every comment, and every subscription means the world to me. Alright, let's dive into today's walking tour, Gwelan. Once again, we're about to explore another beautiful corner of Iran together. Iran is full of traditional bazaars, colorful, vibrant, and full of life. And Shiraz, one of the largest and most historic cities in Iran, has so many of these old markets that each has its own story to tell. In this episode of Walking Tour Hani, we'll visit a new part of these fascinating traditional bazaars, a place where you can smell the spices, hear the buzz of daily life, and get lost in the textures of handmade rugs and old architecture. Everything you see and hear in this video is real and unfiltered. No talking, no music, just you, me, the old streets of Shiraz, and peaceful walking. If you enjoy this kind of video, and if Walking Tour Hani helps you relax or discover new places, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future walking tours. Let me know in the comments which part of today's video you liked the most and what city or bazaar you'd like to see next. With love from Shiraz, this is Walking Tour Hani.
عزیزم شما خودتون خوبی؟ عزیزم